So we are in the process of restoring this 1961 Chevy C10 with a 350 motors inside. Originally they have these old carpet. We took the bed out already. They have a Corvette seats in there, which is, I assume, is not original in there. And the interior of this vehicle, gas tank, steering wheel, there's a Corvette it's a Chevy steering wheel, I assume. So the whole interior, we're trying to get a repaint. Glass needs to be replaced. They have a tech meter that don't belong there. A speedometer, I don't know if it's correct time period, but we want to update that as well. Make sure all the functions working again inside the dash. All the trims, moldings gonna get replaced. Everything we can manage. However, in the state of Maryland, it's kind of hard to find people who do sandblasting. We need to sandblast the whole cab and the beds. The customer wanted rear disc brakes, so we will try to convert that. Mirror gotta be go, and the hardest part of this car is probably chrome plating. Like I said, in the state of Maryland, it's hard to get chrome plating, so I would try to make another video on the progress. We already started with the motor. Just putting it back together as we speak. Waiting on a few parts like the valve cover. Transmission is already finished. We're gonna get a new flywheel, new exhaust systems, and